Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Health to Whoop. First, open the Whoop app, tap More in the bottom right corner, then select App Settings, iOS or Setting, then Integrations, Android. Now tap Apple Health, then hit Connect and grant permissions for all relevant data types, steps, heart rate, workouts, sleep, etc. Next, ensure background app refresh is enabled for both Whoop and Health in your iPhone settings to allow ongoing syncing. If you don't see Live Steps updates, note that Whoop uploads steps in a nightly batch, so you might only notice changes the next morning. If step accounts aren't matching or double posting, enter only Whoop tracked workouts, not imported ones, and re-enabling the integration can help. Some users say Whoop isn't asking for permission to write steps, so reconnecting often resolves that. After connecting, simply wear your Whoop and let it sync automatically. Sleep, workouts, recovery scores, heart rate, and daily steps will flow into Apple Heart without extra actions. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.